make you a mailbox?
How about you, Lewis?
Yeah, we're messing with you.
Florida calling. CQ calling to 2112, calling CQ.
Yep, alright, let me stand by and let me you and your corner work out your little issue. You can work your issue out with your corner while I stand by, and then these other guys that are probably going to get mad at me won't be mad at me because you're working out your... the guy down here. I got a visitor. Hey, Mr. 2543, my pleasure. Hope you have a great day. And, yeah, I can hear better with this radio a lot clearer. Y'all's voices are clearer, and I need that with my band. It's kind of weird. Doesn't have to be up there to be me. Just sit around here and chill and try to be sane. Hello, Radio 605 is standing by.
N2LEN clear.